Hi, I'm making fish tacos. Let's get started. I am making my fish tacos with tilapia. You should use whatever fish you like. I do prefer a slightly firm white fish. I don't want the feedback about tilapia. I know and I get it, but I'm still using it. That said, we want a pineapple salsa to start with. I got some fresh pineapple. If it doesn't look great in the grocery store, get canned pineapple, but it's monumentally better with fresh pineapple. Fresh cilantro, 1 red pepper, limes, red onion, lemon, jalapeno peppers. I got 2 of them. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna need. I'm gonna make a chipotle cream sauce, which I'll show you later. For Nate, he's gonna do his on the tortillas. We're gonna have ours on a bowl of the shredded cabbage with the fish, the salsa, and a drizzle of the chipotle sauce. I've opted to use my Pastificio. This thing is at least 10 years, this cutting board, because I wanna be able to pick up the pineapple and dump it in the bowl and still get the leftover juice. There's not an exact science to this. You just want it cut in little cubes, like a dice, if you will. And I will. Like about that big. Got that much pineapple. I used about half the container. And I'm not gonna use this whole pepper. I'll probably use a third of it. Again, we're gonna do a small dice for this. Little guy. Our jalapeno pepper, I do not want all the seeds and stuff in there. Get a little bit of the ribs, but not all that, and then I could just throw away the seeds. Put that in. My family does not care for raw onions, so what I like to do is just cut a little piece off the side, take off the skin, and I'll put these big old pieces in. You still get the onion flavor, but you don't get the harshness of the raw onion. Now add my fresh cilantro, the juice from half a lime. Ooh, this is a good one. The juice from half a lemon. Some of that pineapple juice back in here. A nice drizzle of honey. Drizzle of olive oil. Maybe a teaspoon. Kosher salt. Cracked black pepper. And we have this gorgeousness that is our pineapple salsa. Unmatched. It's so good. I could eat this whole bowl just like this. Now I'm gonna make the chipotle sauce. I just have a little bit of mayonnaise left, so I'll put that in a bowl. That much. It's probably not even a quarter of a cup. We'll add sour cream, juice from half a lemon. I have a little bit of this chipotle Tabasco left, so put whatever's left in that. And I actually might not need that other one yet. Kosher salt, cracked black pepper. This is pretty light still, so I can tell that I need a little bit more. Oh, goddamn. I have 4 tilapia fillets here. This is 1.3 pounds. I don't know what's wrong with me this week in terms of measuring. I need more than this, and I didn't get it, and there's nothing I could do about it now. I just spritzed that with olive oil. Now I'm doing some lemon juice. All right. Got all our citrus on there. And if you're doing this for less people, you can absolutely do this just on the stovetop too. But I'm gonna throw this in the oven. That was kosher salt, black pepper, a little bit of smoked paprika, dry parsley. It's going to 425-degree oven until it's cooked through. I may have slightly overcooked the tilapia, but it's fine. I've got a bowl of the cabbage here. Typically, I use purple cabbage for my fish tacos, but the whole reason I was doing this recipe is because, hi bud, is because we were originally going to have egg roll bowls. I didn't want that, so I'm using the cabbage instead. I have my tilapia broken up on top here. Some of that pineapple salsa. I don't mind getting the juice because that's going to be great on the cabbage. I'll do a drizzle of that chipotle sauce. This is going to be killer. I can tell you right the hell now. We all know that I like fresh cilantro. And then because I am not having one of the wraps, I have these 320 Market tortilla chips. If you know, you know. So I'll put a couple of these around the side. So if I want to scoop, I can. You have to look at this. Hold, please. this. Josh just dipped one of the chips in the sauce and he said it was busting. Josh just asked me if there's bones in the tilapia. This might be my new favorite way. Good gracious. Ass is bodacious. What do you taste this, honey? Like, ridiculous. I
don't even like tilapia.
You don't like tilapia or cilantro. Alright, bye guys.